Hello dear children, most welcome on my YouTube channel. So in the practical file development segment, let us develop fourth program to calculate average and grade obtained by a student in 5 subjects. So for developing this program, first of all, we should input the marks obtained in 5 subjects. Suppose those marks are out of 100 marks. So first of all, we will input the marks obtained in 5 subjects one after the other. Then we will divide it by 5 to calculate the percentage, or you can say average. And according to average, we will calculate the grade. Grade will be calculated based on criteria. Suppose your average is greater than equal to 90, then A plus grade. Then 75 to 90, it is A grade. And 60 to 75, B grade. 45 to 60, C grade. 33 to 45, D grade. And below 33 is E grade. We will calculate the grading according to this criteria. So let us develop this program in Python. So first of all, you can write the comment, whatever comment you want to write, to develop a program to calculate. As I told you that uh, this is the comment line which describes about the program and programming steps. Calculate average and grade obtained by a student, obtained by a student. इसके अलावा जो भी आप इसमें कमेंट देना चाहें in between the program, you can give out the comment. Let us input 5 subject marks. Suppose English के लिए I have taken the variable eng, convert into int, use input function as earlier. You were inputting earlier in previous program also. Enter English marks, then bracket close, one more bracket close. Sorry, again we are writing on the prompt. Let us go to the file first. आप इसे एक पाइथन फाइल में लिखें प्रोग्राम को, नॉट ऑन द प्रॉम्प्ट. सो यहाँ पर एरर हो जाएगी. न्यू फाइल, आई एम पेस्टिंग हेयर. After it, you can just copy this just to save the time of typing. Control C, then Control V 5 times, because we have to enter the marks obtained in 5 subjects. Okay. So English के बाद आप maths. Here also you have to write the heading maths. Then I am writing another subject, say physics. Maths. Then input, enter, Control Z कर दीजिए. Here in place of English we will write physics, and here in place of ENG we will write PHY. Chemistry के लिए CHEM suppose, and here again change the subject name to chemistry. and this is the last subject, say it is IP subject. Fine. After doing it, let us calculate the average. Average equal to, first of all, let us calculate the total marks, then average. Total is equal to ENG plus maths plus physics, PHY, whatever variable you have taken, CHEM plus IP. I think these are the variables taken for the various subjects. Total has been calculated. Then let us come to calculate the average. AVERAGE, average equal to total. As I told you, total divided by 5. This is average. Or you can write total multiplied by 100 divided by 500. So 100 से 500 cancel करोगे तो 5 आ जाएगा. So the same thing will come, total upon 5. If you write to calculate the percentage, so total into 100 upon 500. So 105 is 500. So total upon 5 is okay. Average calculate हो जाएगा. On the basis of average, put the conditions using if statement. If AVERAGE, average greater than equal to 90, that was the first criteria. Then let us take a variable grade equal to inverted commas A plus. Okay. Then elif average 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 greater than equal to say 75. So it is automatically understood this is we are going to check from 75 to 90, because above 90 greater than equal to 90 this is calculating grade A plus, and if you are writing average greater than equal to 75, that means we are checking 75 to 90 here in this range. So and लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. You will write grade equal to A. You can copy it just to save the time. I am copying it. Elif, Control C, then from here Control V. ये 60 का क्राइटेरिया हो जाएगा, ये 45 का क्राइटेरिया हो जाएगा. एलिफ को आप यहाँ कर लीजिए. 45 के बाद हमें टेस्ट करना होगा greater than equal to 33. One more. So let us change it. Greater than equal to 75, A, greater than equal to then 60. So that will be 60 to 75 is grade B. It should be in capital, suppose. And then if it is greater than equal to 45, that means 45 to 60 I am testing. And then it should be grade C. And if last criteria is greater than equal to 33, that means 33, between 33 and 45, so it is grade D. एक आप else में डाल दीजिए. else में जो डालेंगे that will go if average is less than, that means below 33, because greater than equal to 33 is tested. So else में क्या होगा, last criteria, whatever criteria is left, that is less than 33. So grade is equal to, suppose, E grade. E. Now calculation of grade and average has been done. Average has been calculated, and out of these criterias, one value of grade will be calculated and will come out over here at this point. So at this point we will print the value of average as well as grade. So let us use print function. Print, then some message. Suppose I am writing average marks equal to comma, then variable average bracket close. just we can write print grade within inverted commas, whatever you write that appears as it is in the output. So grade is, this will appear as it is, colon, inverted comma close, comma, grade, this variable. Uppercase and lower case has to be taken care because Python is case sensitive language. So grade is, then the value of grade will be associated with that, concatenate हो जाएगी, average marks equal to, इसके साथ average आ जाएगा, whatever you have calculated here. So that's all about this program. Let us save this program. Control S. On the desktop, let us save it with average.python py. If we don't give .py, then also it will store .py because it is written save as type Python file. Save. Now press F5. English marks, then out of 100 you have to give, say 78, 90, 98, 77 and 95, 98 in IP. Gives very good marks, IP always. So 98. So now we are getting the answer, average marks equal to 88.2, grade is A. So that way you can run it as many times as you want. After inputting the marks of 5 subjects, you will get the average marks as well as its corresponding grade. So this program has been pasted on various slides. Let us go to slides and see the program there. So here you can see, to calculate average and grade obtained by a student in 5 subjects, input marks of 5 subjects, I am writing the comments. Then the same way as we have done in Python, here I am writing comments in between. Add marks of all subjects, added, calculate average considering that each subject has maximum marks 100, average equal to total upon 5. Then according to the same criteria, calculation of grade has been done. The program is continuing on the next page also with the same criteria as you have seen in previous, in Python file, program file. So else grade E, then displaying the output. And let us see the output on the next slide. So, and after entering the marks of these 5 subjects, we are getting the marks, average marks 82.0, grade A. Similarly, you can run this program as many times as required. It will ask for the marks of 5 subjects and will return the output, that is average marks equal to something and grade equal to something out of A, B, C, D, E. 5 ग्रेड में से आपको ये कोई ना कोई 6 ग्रेड है, A प्लस भी है. Out of 6 grades it will return you something according to the average marks. Average marks, if it is 75 to 90, 90 to 100, it gives A plus, 75 to 90 A, and 60 to 75 B, 45 to 60 C, 33 to 45 D, and below 33 E. So that's all about this practical about this program. If you have understood this program well, then please like, share and subscribe if not subscribed yet. So thank you very much. Thank you.